Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch gear off-road rims with some 35-inch NITTO Ridge Grappler off-road tires, pocket-style fender flares, and bulletproof mudflaps, all installed right here at Prince George Ford for your convenience. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more in the middle here, with heated rear seats, 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, and driver assistance features. Then you have your we're already looking at trip and fuel, so looking at your truck info, where you have your seat belts, driver assistance features again, tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, and engine information. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and lane keeping system, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, your park assist or active park assist, hazards, and your traction control shut off. You do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as being collapsible, so you can have more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and ton of room inside, as well as another USB and USB-C there in the corner. Looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you do have a twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades pre-installed, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.